g'day mate. Just looking to see if it's possible to order a Givi screen for the V-strom. Yeah mate, it's a 2017 model and I believe the code I'm looking for is the AF3112. Awesome. Alright, so I'll just wait back and hear from you. Cheers. Hooroo.
6 weeks later.
Check out this big box. Arrived yesterday, ready to put it on. You beauty. Let's open this up. That code there. So that would be to replace the one that's already on there, no doubt. Let's see if we need them. Goodbye, Mr. Suzuki. Hello, Givi. So what you do need to do is you've got these little rubber grommets in the standard one, and the new screen doesn't have them. So you will need to take these grommets out, place them in here before you reattach the new screen. Here's the new screen. The moment of truth. We're in. So now, let's slide up and down, or oh yeah. That's the fully down position. And the fully up position. Here's the Givi Airflow all installed now. Looks good, looks nice and high. Have a look at that separation between the two screens there, so the air can come up through the bottom and fly straight over the top. Kookaburras are laughing at my videoing skills and my vlogging prowess. Anyway, let's have a look at this V-strom with its screen. Geez, it adds a bit of height to it, doesn't it? Hey? Far out. Coming your way. We've got the screen set at halfway there. Now, I had a look at the footage from last weekend, and it's obvious that the GoPro is just going to be looking through the screen pretty much no matter what height it is. So my decision will have nothing to do with the videography part of it, I'm afraid. It'll be what it'll be. It's all going to come down to the user feel. So I can see straight over this screen perfectly. That's whether it's going to provide enough buffeting at this height. I'm hoping so, because I like the fact that I can see just straight over it. Right, let's test this out. I'm going to have the crosswind here, so the northerly is going to be coming over this paddock to my right. So I'll definitely feel it as I come up this hill and up the top of it. I can't do much about a crosswind, unfortunately. All I can do is hold this line, and if it pushes me to the left, be ready. But so far, I'd have to say that screen feels pretty bloody good. All I'm feeling is a bit of buffeting in the shoulders, and that's fine. It's not in the head. Oh, I just felt I had to counter steer a little bit there. There we go. This will be a smooth test because the wind's behind me now. It's only 6 gears, Jace. Wind's behind me now. Look, that's smooth. 100, no worries, eh? What a difference that wind makes, eh? Oh, it's swirling a little bit in amongst here, but it's predominantly behind me. We're just pretty much just cruising here. There we go, heading towards Rivets. There's no reason I couldn't go to Maribor, really. What a beast. Bloody birds. Alright, we're just cruising now. Get up to speed. Yeah, nice. I've got to say, this is the most comfortable I've been on this bike at this sort of speed. I feel fine. That screen's made a big difference. Like, I was getting used to it anyway, but you know, there was still noise in the helmet and stuff. That is much smoother, and it's not a perfect day. Like, there's a bit of wind. I can still feel a bit of wind actually, but it's not because of the screen, it's because of it's coming straight over that farm field to my left, and it's just hitting me that way. So I got a bit of wind noise in the helmet, but it's not because of the screen. It's unavoidable. Unless I put myself in a full-on bubble, get a side screen as well. In that case, I might as well just go and drive the car. This is fine. Definitely an improvement, no doubt. Yeah, so it's just the shoulders, and I wonder if I do hear people saying they change their mirrors, and that sort of seems to get rid of that. So apparently some Aprilia mirrors. Look, I actually don't mind the wind on the shoulder a little bit, especially while the weather's quite nice. But if it's another thing that can be alleviated a little bit, then I might look into that too, because the difference that this screen's made is very considerable, and I think that's pretty good height actually, because I can see over it just fine, and it's doing its job. Good compromise there. Yeah, so there you go, guys. Obviously I'm new to just the V-strom and road bikes and everything in general, I guess. So when I bought this bike, I did its test ride. It felt pretty, it felt like a bike I could get used to at the high speeds, hence why I bought it. And after, really just getting out there and giving it a go over the 85-90, that even with the standard screen, it was feeling pretty good, and I was content with it the way it was, especially with the new helmet. But once the screen turned up, I just had to give it a go, obviously, and look, I'm pretty impressed, and I just think I'm going to leave it on there for sure. Definitely an improvement at those high speeds. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not a sub, I recommend you do it. And if you want to comment or like, look, costs you guys nothing, actually costs me something. You hear it costs you nothing, but it helps me out a lot. Well, on this channel, it actually costs me, because with every comment and sub, I put a little donation in a jar and then hand out some giveaways whenever I'm going to cross you know, the next 100 or whatever. Righto, over. And as a bit of a bonus, I might see if I can put this bike up on its centre stand. Very good potential for this to go badly. Could end up in a highlights reel. As you can see, don't trust myself with pillows. There we go. We got it up. Wouldn't say it was an enjoyable experience. What do we got there? I'll give it a bit of an oil. And I wonder how many of you guys were hoping I'd drop it. Be honest.